Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
All right, guys, 2023 QX80 Infiniti. You won't see another one with duals other than Exhaust Addicts, baby. So, what we got done on it, I already said, but you know, factory converter, factory, and factory. Total of 4 converters. Then this crazy Y that this is a new way they did it. They usually do it right here, but this time they went fancy and did it like this. I don't know why. Fancy, they're fancy. Anyways, then it's 3-inch pipe. We cut the muffler off. We have to run 3-inch pipe into a FLOWMASTER Super 10 842 5.6. There'll be a link in the description for it, right there. Then we ran it over the rear end, 2.5, and then we did a custom Y pipe on it, as you guys can see there, and there. But we will show you. Custom Y pipe. With these, to dual them out, you have to take the spare tire out. So remember that. And then you run them on each side like this and like this. And then we put some massive 4-inch tips out the back on each side there and there, as you guys can see. So custom duals all the way back. Came out super clean, super nice. Only one in the state that you will see. It's the newest one. Infiniti, you need to take one from our books and put duals on this thing. Come on, guys. There's the tire that we took out. There's the muffler we took out. There's a resonator we took out. And there's the tailpipe we took out. All right? There it is. And that's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, hit us up if you're in Nashville, Tennessee. And subscribe. QX80 4-wheel drive. That sounds good. The only QX80 with duals. What do you guys think? I like it. Here's sound decibels. 105. That sounds mean. Again? What do you think, bro? Thumbs up? Here. Thumbs up? Yes, sir. Go ahead and back it up.
It's good from the side too. I like that.
Yeah, you can see it from both sides.
That's the shit.
Yes, sir. QX80 duals. FLOWMASTER Super 10 duals. I like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. We'll let you hear on the inside. QX80 duals, FLOWMASTER Super 10. She sounds mean. Beast mode. Oh my god, it sounds like a jet. This sounds really nice, dude.